Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths chapter 4 differential equations exercise 4.1 fifth question. Form the differential equation that represents all parabolas each of which has a lattice rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to the x-axis. Let us see the fifth question. Equation of the family of parabolas with lattice rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to the x-axis is y minus k the whole square is equal to 4a, because 4a is the lattice rectum, so into x minus h, the x minus h. So y minus k the whole squared is equal to 4a into x minus h, where h and k is the center, of the parabola. Differentiating with respect to x, we will get differentiating with respect to x 2 into y minus k into dy by dx is equal to, we have to differentiate this one, we will get 4a is the constant term and x, differentiate x, we will get 1 into 1. So 2 into y minus k into dy by dx is equal to 4a. That is the first equation. So 2 into y minus k into dy by dx is equal to 4a. This is the first equation. And again differentiate with respect to x. We will get 2 is the constant. So 2 into y minus k into, we have to differentiate this one, we will get d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx, keep it as like this, and this is dy by dx, one more dy by dx, product rule, is equal to, this is the constant term, so that is 0. What is the next one? We have to simplify this. Divided by 2, we will get y minus k into d squared y by dx squared plus 2 times here, so dy by dx the whole square is equal to 0. So what is y minus k? Y minus k is equal to, this plus goes that side, we will get minus dy by dx the whole square, and this is in the multiplication, so it goes into division. D squared y by dx squared is second equation. Now this is the first equation and this is the second equation, and y minus k is equal to minus dy by dx the whole square divided by d squared y by dx square. You have to substitute this equation in the first equation. So substitute 2 in 1. So in this first equation we are going to substitute y minus k value. So 2 into minus dy by dx the whole square divided by d squared y by dx square into dy by dx is equal to 4a. Now what we are going to do, this is dy by dx, here also dy by dx, so product, if we multiply these two, the power should be added. So minus 2 dy by dx the whole cube is equal to 4a into d square y by dx square. This division goes into multiplication. And now what we have to do, this is 4a, this 4a into d squared y by dx square, this minus goes that side, we will get plus 2 dy by dx the whole cube. So 4a into d squared y by dx squared plus 2 dy by dx the whole cube is equal to 0 is the required differential equation for this question. The sixth question is, find the differential equation of all circles passing through the origin and having their centers on the y-axis. So, equation of all circles passing through the origin and having their center on the y-axis is x squared plus y minus k the whole square is equal to k square. So, equation of all circles passing through the origin and having their centers on the y-axis. So, what is the equation? X squared plus y minus k the whole squared is equal to k squared, where 0 and k is the center of the circle which lies on the y-axis and radius is k. Now, we have to take this is as the first equation. This is as the first equation. And what we have to do? Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So, 2x plus 2y minus k into dy by dx is equal to 0. This, and then you have to simplify this one. We will get divided by 2. So, y minus k into dy by dx is equal to this plus x goes that side minus x. And this is consider, and y minus k, we have to substitute in this y minus k and k value. So, y minus k is equal to minus x divided by dy by dx. This is the second equation. And what is k? So, k is equal to, this k goes that side my plus k and this term comes this side plus. So, k is equal to y plus x divided by dy by dx. This is the third equation. Now, we are going to substitute second and third in the equation number 1. Second equation and third equation, instead of y minus k, you have to substitute this one. And instead of k, substitute y plus x by dy by dx in this first equation. So, we substitute x squared plus, instead of y minus k, minus x divided by dy by dx the whole squared is equal to, instead of k, you have to substitute y plus x by dy by dx the whole squared. So, we have to take as this is a plus b the whole squared method. Here minus of minus plus. So, minus of minus plus means this only, this goes to x squared plus x divided by dy by dx the whole squared. And this one for a squared plus 2ab. So, y squared plus b squared, that is x by dy by dx the whole square plus 2ab. So, 2 into y into x by dy by dx. We have to expand this. Now, what is the next step? This is x by dy by dx the whole square, and here also x by dy by dx the whole square. It will be cancelled. So, what is the remaining term? Here x squared in the left hand side is equal to, here y squared plus 2xy divided by dy by dx. So, what is the required equation? So, this one goes into reciprocal. We will get x squared is equal to y squared plus 2xy into dxy by dx by dy. This is the required equation. So, this is the answer for the x squared plus y minus k the whole squared is equal to k squared. Can you understand, students? Seventh question. Equation of the family of parabolas with foci at the origin and axis along the x-axis is y squared is equal to 4a into x plus a. So, now we have to differentiate this one with respect to s. We will get 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4a is the constant. So 4a and here x is the 1. So 4a into 1, 4a. So what we have to do the next step? This is divided by 4. We will get 2. So a is equal to, and this 2 comes this side, we will get y by 2. So a is equal to y by 2 into dy by dx. And this is the second equation. And this is the third equation, that is a is equal to y by 2 into dy by dx is the third equation. Substitute 2 and 3 because 4a, here 2a, no problem, 4a, instead of 4a you have to substitute this one, and a is equal to, you have to substitute. So what we have to substitute 2 and 3 in the first equation, we will get y squared is equal to, instead of a only you have to substitute. So substitute third equation in the first equation. So 4 into, what is a, y by 2 into dy by dx, and into x plus, again a substitute, y by 2 into dy by dx. Can you understand? Now we have to simplify this one, 2. So 2y into dy by dx. So 2y into dy by dx, and then you have to multiply with this term into the two terms. So we will get 2xy into dy by dx plus, you have to multiply this 2y. So 2y means 2 cancel. So 2y square, that is 2y squared by 2 into dy by dx the whole square, because if we multiply this 2 we will get dy by dx the whole square. Here 2 cancel. So what is the remaining term? Y squared is equal to 2xy into dy by dx, and y squared into dy by dx plus y squared into dy by dx the whole square. So this is the required equation for this. Or you have to take out y, we have to divide it by y. We will get y is equal to, here also cancel and here one y also cancel if we divide it. So 2x into dy by dx plus y into dy by dx is the whole square is the required equation. Can you understand, students? Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.